If the government provides us with several states, then the Bodo people will safeguard the entire Northeast. We will fight with the illegal immigrants, which is occupying the entire land of the Northeast. Now India is going to celebrate 75 years of independence, but the government of India is not taking the responsibility of safeguarding the people of Northeast. If the government of India hears us, if they accept us, and if they provide us with a separate state, then the Bodo will safeguard the entire Northeast. Because the area which the Bodos are living is the chicken neck of the Northeast India. The Bodos are fighting for the political self-determination and autonomy since 1967. It is more than 50 years we are fighting for the safety and security of the Bodo people. But the government of India failed to hear us. Instead of giving separate state Bodoland, they are alternatively giving us with small council. The Bodo movement has taken its momentum in 1967 under the leadership of Upendranath Brahmo. And in 1993, the Bodos were given Bodoland Autonomous Council. But that council never failed. But that council failed to fulfill the long-standing demand of the Bodo people. In 1996, the Bodo youth, under the banner of Bodo Liberation Tiger Force, they took up the armed struggle. They fought against Indian government, Assam government, and the government of India. By taking the tri-party talk, they have given Bodoland Territorial Council in 2003. They have given the 6th schedule. They have given the autonomy, but that council again failed to fulfill the long-standing demand of the Bodo people. That is called separate state Bodoland. Again, the Bodo people took out the revolution, the movement, and in 2020, under the banner of All Bodo Students Union, National Democratic Front of Bodoland, the government of India has given Bodoland territorial regions. But that Bodoland territorial regions also failed to fulfill the long-standing demand of the Bodo people. They failed to fulfill the political aspiration of the Bodo people. The TR agreement failed to fulfill the autonomy that the Bodo peoples are demanding since 1967. And today, on 8 August 2022, Bodo National Students Union in a maiden Dorna here, we are starting our new journey of demanding separate state Bodoland. Bodo National Students Union will continue to fight for the safety and security of the Bodo people. Bodo National Students Union will safeguard, will work for the all-round development of the Bodo people. Bodo National Students Union will fight to fulfill the long-standing demand of the Bodo people. That is why we are here today. We are demanding separate state Bodoland. This is the fourth phase of Bodo movement. And I am very much thankful to the leaders, to the members of Bodo National Students Unions who are taking pain to struggle and to give for the security and to satisfy the long-standing dream of the Bodo people.